Hey YouTube, it's your boy Kenrick here again, aka the Optometry Prodigy, and guys, I'm back this week with another video. Guys, before we get into the video, I just like to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel, share the information, guys, like, comment, and share the information as well for other people in your family who might need it as well. Especially this topic, it is more and more for the general public. It is public information, public knowledge, as I would call it on this channel here, guys. So ensure to share it with other people as well. So guys, let's get into this video. Right, so guys, now we're going to look at, or today we're going to look at rather, is contact lens an option for you? And basically what we're going to go through today is basically an introduction into contact lenses for the layman or for the general public. Some of you may be wondering at first, what is a contact lens? A contact lens is a medically approved device. I'm not talking about the ones we find in the pharmacy and we can just go and buy. I'm talking about the ones that are prescribed particularly by the eye care practitioners. So it's a medical device. It's usually made up of different types of plastic and polymers, etc. We have two kinds mainly, the soft contact lenses and we have the hard contact lenses. The hard contact lenses, there are actually two types. There's the scleral lenses and there's also the rough gas permeable lenses. And all of these have their different reasons for being prescribed to an individual. Again, this is something decided by the eye care practitioner along with your the patient input as well. So who exactly could wear contact lenses? And guys, actually a lot of people, there's only some exceptions, but majority of people can wear them. The kids could wear them, teens could wear them, the adults could wear them, even some of the older folks can wear them as well. It is proved to even be safe for those younger kids especially as well for use. So some of the areas we can use them in is for prescribing in terms of correction of vision. So nearsightedness, short-sightedness, we can use them for that. We can use them for the distance, far-sightedness as well. We can also use them to for the older folks who may be using progressive lenses, bifocal lenses. We have one for you called a multifocal contact lens, so it covers that area as well. We also have contact lenses that help with the irregular shape of the front surface of the eye, which is called the cornea, and this lens is called the scleral lens that I mentioned before. We also have lenses that can help with UV protection or possibly that brightness outside that you feel at times when you go out into the sun. We know normally we have what we call the transition lenses. Also what we have now is the transition contact lenses. We also have lenses that can help you and assist with severe dry eyes, and these are just some of the areas, guys, that the contact lenses can be used in, among others. Another thing people would mainly be interested in is the benefit of the contact lenses. So guys, when you have on the contact lenses, of course you don't need to wear glasses, so that's some form of freedom there on the face. There's nothing resting on the face. Some people might find that uncomfortable, so possibly for social events, etc. People might want to wear possibly cosmetic contact lenses or even the prescribed ones, so you don't have that frame there on your face. You don't need that. Sometimes for sporting events as well, it will be useful in that case. Another reason too as well, if you look at the frame on your face, if you're looking through our glasses right now, you'd be able to see the frame. So sometimes it blocks out certain parts of your vision. Again, with contact lenses, you wouldn't have that issue at all. Especially for the soft contact lenses, they are very comfortable. There's a high level of receptivity to that as well, so that's a great benefit that people tend to have. They sometimes won't feel it on the surface of the eyes majority of the time. The hard lenses, they are particularly great for in terms of prescription. They cover a wide range of prescription when compared to the soft contact lenses. Sometimes soft contact lenses, they are made with specific measurements or parameters, so sometimes they won't be perfect for the individual, but they will still give vision that is close to 20/20, 20/25. However, the hard contact lenses, they are made particularly for the individual, so they cover a wide range of prescriptions. However, with the hard contact lenses, there's still that time for adaptation. The comfort is not that great at the beginning, so after you wait over a period of time, then the person gets settled in terms of adaptation. There are lenses that help with this adaptation period, especially with the hard lenses. It's called hybrid lenses, where the center of the lens is hard and the skirt of the lens is soft. The only problem that sometimes I write with this is to take out the lenses. We also have something called the orthokeratology lenses. This lens is made always used rather a lot in what we call myopia management disease. This is one of the lenses that is actually prescribed or approved to sleep in. So you're not usually supposed to sleep in the lenses. This one is particularly approved for this, and it achieves a certain process while the individual is at sleep. So guys, the last part we're going to talk about is what you cannot do with the contact lenses. Contact lenses, you cannot use water with them, so you can't bathe with them, you can't go into the sauna with them, you can't be swimming with the lenses, guys. You can't even use tap water to clean lenses. There's something specific called non-preserved saline that you'd use in that process to clean the lenses with possibly a multi-purpose, something called a multi-purpose solution. But we'll leave that for another video. Another thing you cannot do with the lenses is sleep in the lenses. As I mentioned, there are specific lenses approved for overnight wear, and again, even though they are approved, they still have to be prescribed by the eye care practitioner, depending on the various condition that the person may have. And of course, you would not be able to wear the lenses if you have any eye infection. So this is one of the areas where we would give it an individual. Those who have eye infections, possibly another area we wouldn't give them it is if they work in a specific environment that possibly has a lot of heat. It wouldn't be a good idea to use the lenses there either. Another place where we may not allow the person to wear contact lenses is based on their compliance. If the person really isn't taking care of their lenses, if they have to use it over a period of time, daily lenses, you just use them and throw them away. But there are lenses that I will go into another video where you use them weekly or even monthly, and sometimes people would use them for a longer period, and not even the daily ones. They sometimes use it for longer periods of time, and that is not good. So we may take them out of the lenses there as well. So guys, I really hope that you learned something through this video. Don't forget, share it with someone, help spread the knowledge in terms of contact lenses. We are going to go deeper in the upcoming videos in terms of contact lenses. So guys, for now, keep safe. I am out. Peace.